Estimate the difference by rounding each number to the nearest 100,000 and then subtracting. All right, first, let's take each of these numbers and round them to the nearest 100,000. Let's take this one first. That's 609,277. Let's start from the right with our place values. This is the ones place value, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. So let's circle that number right there and look to the right of it. Now the way we round, if it's 5 and above, give it a shove. 4 and below, let it go. This is 0, which means that 6 is going to stay a 6. All the numbers to the right of it become 0. So 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. So 609,277 when rounded to the nearest 100,000 is 600,000. Let's do the same thing with 214,367. Now this is our ones place value, tens place value, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. So let's circle the 2. Look at the number to the right of it. 5 or above, give it a shove. Nope. 4 and below, let it go. Yep, 1 is 4 and below. So we're going to leave 2 as 2. All the numbers become 0. 0, 0, comma, 0, 0, 0. My job is to now subtract these guys. So I'm going to write out 600,000 minus 200,000. And as you already know, nothing happens with these zeros. All of these zeros just drop down, comma, 0, 0. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So 609,277 minus 214,367 when estimated to the nearest 100,000 and subtracted becomes 400,000. And that's how it's done.